Hello everyone, welcome back to City Life London YouTube channel. In today's video, we are exploring two of the most iconic landmarks in London, St. Paul's Cathedral and Millennium Bridge. These two places represent the perfect mix of history and modern engineering in the heart of London. Number 1. St. Paul's Cathedral is one of the most famous churches in the United Kingdom and major symbol of London. It was designed by Sir Christopher after the Great Fire of London in 1666, and it took many years to complete. The most famous features of the cathedral is its massive dome. It is one of the largest and most beautiful domes in the world. Inside the cathedral feels peaceful and historical with stunning and artwork. It is also a place where royal ceremonies, important events and national services take place. So in the video now you can see the cathedral. Now let's move the modern side of London, the Millennium Bridge. This is a pedestrian bridge that connects St. Paul's Cathedral with the Tate Modern and the south bank of the River Thames. It officially opened in the year 2000 and is known for its sleek, modern design. However, when it first opened, the bridge had a slight wobbly movement, which is why people call it the wobbly bridge. Engineers later fixed the issue, and now it is completely safe and stable for pedestrians. Now we look at about the experience and views. One of the best things about this location is the view. From the Millennium Bridge, you can see the River Thames, the London skyline, and the stunning dome of St. Paul's Cathedral, all in one frame. This is one of the most photographed spots in London, especially for tourists and content creators. During sunset, the view becomes even more magical, with golden light reflecting on the river and buildings. It's perfect place to experience the real beauty of London city life. One more important thing, never don't go for these plants, because I had personal experience. I touched with these plants, but my hand is, until 2 days itchy, continuously itchy, very painful. So don't go for that small plants. Please note that. So finally we move to the Borough Market. This is the way we can easily go for Borough Market. I'll bring some incredible food stuffs with my next video in the Borough Market. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me and like and comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.